tropical storm, Hermine. Not much action yet. Just coming home from work. It's barely raining. Okay, it looks scarier on camera than in real life. It's just so gray. Updated, people. Yeah, and I have my keys and junk. Okay. Foggy, hang on. Alright, here we go. Got it.
Oh, I didn't even look if we had a car.
Oh my god, we have 7 people. We are going to the beach.
Hurricane.
And we're already wet, so might as well go in the water. Flip. This is so cool.
I like this shirt too much.
Oh my goodness.
Water. Look at this shit, bro.
Ew. There's trash. All these people rebelling against the storm. Oh my goodness, I wish I knew how to surf for real. We should have brought a picnic.
Wait, where'd the board go?
Oh shit! Oh, let's go! I'm gonna be on news. Here we go. Time to be discovered. Wait, where? Oh, there he is. They're not recording yet, you can tell. I want to do a standing tuck, and then I can say I've done a standing tuck in a hurricane.
You have to take the picture?
Yeah. Currently, for storm chasers, we are at the beach. And it's just raining still. And flooding.
Come on, the waves is this way. Ready, set, go. How do you do that? Sarah, do it again right here in the middle. Ready, set. Wait for the wave. Go. No, go. Wait for the waves. Go. Ah, that was very pretty right there. Yeah, I got you like in the air.
There's no one watching yet. Yeah, Periscope. Hey everyone, we are at the beach right now in a hurricane, tropical storm, whatever it is. It's nailed! What are you doing? Don't drop your phone! Oh my, don't drop it! These people are crazy! And there was some news people. We walked behind them while they were filming, and that guy right down there, I don't know if you can see him, he's in a hood and stuff. He just asked us to be on his Facebook Live video thing. He's from the Weather Channel. And yeah, he filmed us saying stuff. Yeah, we're being careful. It's rubbed off. You guys are getting live front view action of Hurricane Hermine. Dun dun dun. stay tuned for more updates as we walk the beach of Clearwater and find some dead people. Let's go find some dead people.
We're gonna be dying.
Oh yeah, maybe he did. I did. What if he was just pretending he was from the Weather Channel so he can get like a good video? No, we are not safe, John. We're in danger. Help! Help us! Ah! Oh, what's with that little curly on my head? Itchy nose. Yeah, I don't see a hurricane either. What up, peeps?
I was so serious. You got me in my rock. I wasn't ready.
We're in Clearwater Beach right now. We are the storm chasers of Clearwater! Oh look, it's my friends again. Oh, these surfer people. Alright, peace out, people. I will talk to you later. He's not gonna pull me over. Well, I'm walking, so he can't pull me over. He can't arrest me for videoing him. He's like hitting me. Hey, calm down. We're all stressed right now. There is no reason to fight. Okay, it's clear. Let's run before it's too late again. It's cold. It was just intense. Oh, it looks clear now. Yeah, we should go now. We were gonna get hot cocoa in McDonald's, but we gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta get out of here. Bye, guys. We now have a lake park. Oh, I could go swinging into the puddle. As you can see, the storm surge. Yes, storm surge. They said that about 70 times. More than that on the Weather Channel. Oh yeah, look at that storm surge. Uh-huh.
I'm taking Brandon with me, and I'm playing my music, and I'm probably gonna go broke, but I don't give a damn. So you want to go broke with me?
Wait, are we going far?
No, Carnegie Hall's in New York.
Oh. We're going to New York?
I guarantee you.
It's okay, man. Hey,
I will take you to Carnegie Hall with me.
I want to go to New York.
No.
I'm pedaling. I mean, wait, what?
I'll go. I'm down.
Uber this, right?
But the whole thing is, I need Brandon's new voice. And tonight,
We're trying to find Jesus.
we will experience the new voice that Brandon says you taught me it. Brandon's voice used to be very raspy.
Yes, yeah.
His voice is like a saint now. You coming?
I guess hop in a bit.
Yeah, hop in.
Where are we going?
We're going to find Brandon.
Just around here, right?
Right. I mean, I can't pedal off the friggin'
we have
island.
no-
I'm trying to point and laugh when I try and go.
We have no idea where we're going.
Okay.
You look more fit than me. You want to trade?
I'll take turns with you. I need someone.
You know, if you know Brandon, the worst you could do is not find him.
All right.
Okay, here we
Okay,
go. YOLO.
We're going under the bridge.
We're going on an adventure.
We're going off the bridge, is that
At
what you
least
said?
I feel safer now
that's
that
where he
it's a
lives
crowd
most
of
time.
people instead of just me. Hey.
Oh, I've been under that bridge before.
Awesome. No problem. I'll give you a call later, okay?
I locked my keys in the car.
Yeah.
In the movie, it's his house. There he is. Oh, I got him! Perfect timing. Come on. Don't be scared.
Net time.
What you looking at?
Nap time.
Did you ever see dolphins until 1 and dolphins until 2? Oh,
He looks so miserable.
movie with dolphins? Well, we're down in Clearwater Beach and they filmed it.
Nice spot.
The tissues in that peduncle that she may not use as often as we would like her to. So those tissues on the top and the bottom of that peduncle, we're going to aim that laser there, and this laser actually allows us to stimulate blood flow, to promote healing, and to keep those muscles from deteriorating. So we do this about 3 times a week, and like I said, that is a cold laser, so it's not painful or uncomfortable to winter. All she has to do is lay there, allow us to touch the area, and receive lots and lots of treats. Then what we do is we treat her gently on that area, and our goal is to do that for about 30 minutes every single day. However, if you were here earlier, you may have noticed that we did not ask Winter to sit there and stretch for 30 minutes straight. We'll typically sprinkle it in about 2 to 3 minutes at a time all throughout her day. So if you haven't seen that type of physical therapy yet, you likely will throughout your stay here at the aquarium. Now lastly, Winter will wear her prosthetic tail. Who here thought that when you came to the aquarium, you would see Winter wearing her prosthetic tail and using it all day long? Anybody? I see quite a few hands.
Basic stuff, and then like in the Navy we get our basketball practice. Those are the greatest.
It's a party in the USA. I highly recommend this cruise. It was quite fun.